Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to get coupons on AliExpress. Open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom, and you need to access coupons section. So it looks like this icon, and at the bottom I need to tap get more coupons. And I entered my coupon center where I can find so many coupons which I can use. So in order to get a coupon, I need to tap collect. And if I go back to my coupons that I have, I will see it right here in this list. And okay, so let's go back right here, and I will show you on practice how to apply it. So I need to go to this item, scroll down and see line which is highlighted red. I tap this arrow, and also I can see all coupons that I can apply to this exact item. But one thing with coupons is that you have to pay attention to a few things, and the first one is minimum purchase amount. So that means that, for example, if I want to have 84 cents discount off, I need to make an order at least for $3.08. Only then I will have this discount. And another thing that you have to pay attention to is validity term. So you can see that this coupon is active until November 30. So how to use it? I need to copy this code or enter it manually. It doesn't matter. Then press buy now and proceed to checkout page. Now scroll down to section promo code, tap enter, and you should enter this code right here or paste. And do not forget to tap apply to activate your coupon code. So that is basically how you can get your coupon on AliExpress. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.